Hey everyone, welcome to another day of Daily Bug Bounty Challenge. Today we have a lot of work to do. Let's review the previous day. The previous day we talk about output of the HTTPX tool, and there is no interesting endpoint. Okay, search on crt.sh. Okay, as you can see in here, and we're trying to search on the crt.sh, and again nothing found. So let's get back to the machine. Sorry, let's get back to the machine and trying to dorking. Why? Because yesterday we can't do this. Okay, hunting and dorking. I think any space that we talk about it's so cool. Like dorking, like recon, and it's so important to have great space to search on it, because when we have more assets to work on it, we have more chance to doing whatever we want. As you can see in here, the web archive just show us some noisy subdomains. What if we're going to open the web archive? Okay, you know why? Because we need to approve something that give us give us the that guarantee this is a good place to work on it. If we don't have anything related, we should skip that. And I think it's cool if we sorry, going to I think let me find that the this domain. In meanwhile, the web archive is going to open. We're going to bgpview.io. With the quiz, we somehow make sure that is this domain belong to uh, AWS, Amazon, but for make sure we need to approve something in BGPView. So let's write down. I think my internet again goes to hell. I think. Okay. Hunting in my country is like to test for psychopath exam. Okay. What if we, sorry, sorry. What if we trying to search this? My God, God, God. Okay. And let me tell you what I'm going to do and pause the video. I'm going to do this approach and let write down. I'm going to trying to find any interesting thing in this URL, and then see if I can find a domain that the IP behind that is owned by the company. For do this, I absolutely recommend to doing subdomain discovery or all the domains, then doing, let's write down again, subdomain discovery on all domains, and then dnsx. I'm going to show you trying to do, what if the opposite of the name resolution? Okay, okay. I think it's cool. And what if we're going to, let's show you something. The process of get domain name and get IP. If good, sorry for the interrupt. I'm one. Okay. Wow. Your DNS request by like this dnsx resp only. Okay, so dash silence is the always and always company with us. We're trying to do this and then get back to the get back to the when we sorry when we run this command, it's good to filter the CDN, sorry, CDN IPs and mm, trying to read all the ASN and so on. For filter the CDN, I absolutely recommend. We can use in, oh, I mean, first option is use the mapcidr, but there is some interesting tools that I prefer to use that. That name is sorry, this tool is in here. My tools, sorry, what the copy and paste. Okay, cut CDN. This is a great tool, as you can see in here. Let me show you. This tool's basic functionality would involve taking the list of IP address as input and then checking to determine whether the IP is behind the CDN. This tool will gather all CIDRs of most known CDN provider and check your provided list with them. This is a handy tool for bug hunters. Thanks the author of this tool, and that's it. Let's get back in here. This is a Go-based tool that is so interesting. And then this is what we have done. After installing this tool, and that's it for today. Any additional approach we or that will going I'm going to record it. So let's start the day. So after some trying and testing, suddenly think of this approach. That is, let's show you. Okay, as you can see in here, let's see this repo. Sorry. Okay, I just now trying to look this automation tool that is doing the X recon tool, but with repeatedly and storing something like this. And now let's pick something. Copy this path and go for outcomes dash O. Okay, as you can see in here, what if we trying to dash S and again, okay, nothing happened yet. What we can do in here, okay, what we can do in here now, let's let's do the at first trying to do this or on all the subdomain. How let's show you here. Hello first we're trying to dnsx press only once and see the result and okay. So thing is going to work so that we should doing potential and then think then after this in the formula we show all the outputs pp no stdm.txt and we're trying to execute this. Let's see it work with the so that's it. So that's it for today. And before we going, let's show you something. Let me show you. Okay, sorry for the interrupt. Get back in, and as you can see, so let's check something in the Discord server. I asked the members So do you agree to start in the server or its own? My own, I rather to be more of some community to work specific domain or doing some specific jobs. But in our YouTube channel, after we hit the 500 subscribers, I'm going to do this daily bounty challenge that I'm going to record. I'm going to start the streaming and doing the whole all the process in the live. It's it's so easy for me. It's better for me. To don't do any edits and but I rather I think it's better to more subscribers so more efficiency. So that's it. If you agree, we start the live as soon as possible in the Discord because on the YouTube we do 500 subscribers. We're going to do that, but in this Discord server we do that soon, as soon as possible if you agree with that. So that's it. Let's doing this. Talk about the whole of the going live, and then that's it. Thank you for being here with. If you haven't become the channel, you left or Discord server, and even if you agree with the poll, it's better for me to start with a little amount of people, more collect some experience to going live and have to collaborate with them. So here's more.